Yeah, good morning, Jake. So I spoke to Superintendent Ian Saltzman yesterday afternoon. He says he was going to bed confident that the school buses would run on time this morning. Now, that's a big issue we have seen in several other districts. I asked him why he was so confident. He said they did a good job communicating with bus driver unions this summer. They did mock runs prior to school starting and learned what some of those challenges could be. He also says they've been doing those mock runs since July, practicing how they will keep students safe, what the first week will look like for principals, for teachers, where will students go when they first get off the bus, for example, directional hallways. He says extra masks will be on hand and students will be at a minimum 3 feet apart during lunch and in the hallways. He says if there is a COVID case or scare in an Everett school, they've practiced those guidelines and communication with parents to not let it disrupt learning.
Besides just COVID, there's always a little anxiety opening day and excitement at the same time. I have 10-year-old girls and I know they're twins and I know what they're going through with excitement, a little bit of angst. And I can promise you that we're going to lead with our heart and we're going to do the right thing by our kids and our community.
Now, despite the preparedness, the Delta surge is a concern for families here. The number of K-8 signups for virtual learning went from 200 in early July to the cap of 700 yesterday. Ian says it's been increasing as cases went up in our state. He says they'll have to wait a few weeks into the school year to see if they'll be able to open up that wait list. But back here at Everett High School, some people preparing, as you can see, bringing in school color balloons for that first bell that rings at 7:30.